Thank you for watching the video. So this video is going to be about chaffles, which is the ketogenic waffle. We use it as bread, we use it for sandwiches. Just if you're having like a carb craving, this might help curb it. Depends on every person. So to get started, we are going to need a waffle maker. I personally have the Dash Mini from Amazon. I like the size, especially if you want to use it for sandwiches. It's a really good size. So let's get started. I already have it connected. It's already warm. It's already oiled, or you can use coconut oil, butter, whatever you want to just kind of get the non-stick surface. Sorry. So you are going to need, for this recipe, you are going to need egg and mozzarella cheese. That's it. Pretty simple. The basics. So 1 egg. We're going to go ahead and do this here. I personally am going to try to take out some of the egg whites just because for this size waffle maker, it overflows. It really does. So once we got that, we're going to get our 1/3 of a cup of mozzarella cheese. Pour it in. Use a fork just to mix it all together. Real quick, real simple. All right. Should kind of look like that. Just mixed together. I'm not sure if you can see from the angle. So, let me see if I can get you guys to see it pouring in. And there we go. All right, simple, close, and now you wait. I personally recommend about 3 minutes. I don't like it to burn. I feel like it tastes more eggy that way. I also don't recommend using a NutriBullet or Nutri Ninja blender to mix it together because I feel like the eggs get like, it tastes more like eggs. Sorry, I don't know the exact words. And when it comes to cheese, remember guys, on the keto diet or keto lifestyle, whichever you choose, it's much better to shred your own cheese because you don't want the potato starch. Believe it or not, the potato starch is not good, even though it seems like it's a little bit too lean. For some people, it might be enough to throw them off ketosis. I don't know. It's just not good. So now we're just waiting for our chaffle. Real quick while that's going on, if you guys can like the video, maybe subscribe. I have plans on making much more videos and recipes. This channel is for me, my husband, who's not here at the moment, and my compadres, which are my children's godparents. We're all 4 on the keto journey, kind of started around the same time too. So they will also be adding videos of different recipes. My friend, she's more of a baker, so if you like baking ketogenically, that would be something that she can do. Leave comments, let us know kind of what you want to see. If you want to see more, I will soon, right after this, be uploading a video of the key things that I would have wished I knew before starting keto. So, because I know it can be a little overwhelming. But let's see. This one overflowed a little bit. Just waiting. And if you guys do end up doing chaffles, please let me know how it went. If you tried different cheese, if you tried different measurements. We're always looking to experiment new recipes. If you want to see like the peanut butter chaffle, there's a chocolate chaffle, there's a churro chaffle. There's just so many things. I do have a recipe coming up of a cheesecake, a no-bake cheesecake, and it's so good. It's super simple, super simple. These are the things, they're simple. We don't have a lot of stuff, we just moved. So as you could tell, we don't have a lot of things. So this is kind of like simple stuff that you can usually find lying around. Can you hear it sizzling? I don't know if you can see the steam. Well, you can see it from my breath. It's really cold in here. We're in Wisconsin. And it's a really old house. It might be ready, it might not. But for video purposes, I am going to take it out and show you the finished product. Well, actually, I'm going to show it to you first on the... There you go. I don't recommend to use your hands. I've been flipping tortillas since I was young, so I'm pretty used to it. But this is pretty much what it's gonna look like. A little bit more cooked. You can leave it for more time if you want a little toastier, crispier. It just depends on your preference. But this is what you should end up with. And like I said, this size to me is perfect for like a sandwich. Or if you just want to throw some cream cheese and strawberries on there, I recommend that with the peanut butter chaffle, which we will hopefully be making next time. And we can show you guys. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any comments. Upload pictures of your chaffles. Like and subscribe if you can. And full disclosure, I'm not a medical practitioner, a nutritionist, not in the medical field at all. So I do not know everything about keto. But hopefully you will join us on this journey and we can find out as much information as we can. Thank you.